Christmas is coming up soon. What do you think when you think of Christmas? Christmas trees, right? Well, today I want to go out and get 4 Christmas trees in 4 different towns. The towns are somewhat close to me, but and I'm going to judge which one has the best Christmas tree at the end of the video. Let's get started. We're headed to a town called Lawrenceburg, Indiana. To say that was quite a beautiful tree, and yes, I had to get the river on that shot. Guys, the prettiest place to look at the Ohio River is here in Lawrenceburg, Indiana. But we're going to head to another little town called Aurora. Hope I said it right. We'll see you over there. As you can see, I wasn't able to get out and get GoPro footage of the tree. It's in the middle of the dang road. Plus, there was a train going on. Not a real train. There's just so many people there. Yeah, so we had to use the footage off the GoPro here in the car. But, oh my God. Alright, on our way to Rising Sun. Okay, I know it's small, but it's cute, it's unique. I like it. Okay, at least it ain't in the middle of the street, right? Just saying. Okay, I had to get the river on this shot too. The river in Lawrenceburg and the river here is just fantastic. Now let's pick a tree. Let's see. We had Lawrenceburg's tree, we had Aurora's tree, we had Dillsboro's tree. We had the tree here in Rising Sun. Now the one in Dillsboro, the very tiny tree, I like it. I do. But I have to say, this one here in Rising Sun beats them all. And the reason it beats them all because look behind me. Look where this is located. I mean, my God, it is so beautiful. Let's go up there and get a little bit more footage of it. This one right here is just fantastic. It's been trimmed nice and pretty. Oh my gosh. Of course, this would look a whole bunch better if I was actually to get this at night. Which brings me to the next thing I want to talk about, guys. I have to say, I didn't realize this. That tree is fake. I thought it was real. Oh my gosh, it's fake. I will admit the one in Aurora, the one I couldn't get video footage of, is real. But this one's fake. I did not know it would be fake. That's news to me. But anyway, guys, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. Hopefully in the following week's videos, I'm going to get some Christmas lights. I want to go to as many places as I can that have lights, and hopefully the GoPro Black will do good at dark if the lights pick up the lights and not be so blurry. I want to get as many Christmassy lights on here as I can. And maybe, just maybe, I might air them Christmas night. Just maybe. Alright guys, until next time, that's been it. Leave me comments down there. Show me pictures of your trees in the comments somehow if you can. Or tell me about your trees in your town. These are the 4 towns I picked. That's kind of close to me. And I think they're all beautiful. They all in their own unique way. But if I had to pick my favorite, probably the one here, Rising Sun. Might be a little biased on that because I love the town of Rising Sun. Until next time, come on. Let's get out of here. We see you on our next adventure.